Hello students. Today we are having the next topic of class 9, that is effect of temperature on liquid state. In the previous lecture we had discussed the effect of temperature on solid state. So today we are going to discuss effect of temperature on liquid state. So with decrease in temperature of liquid state, it start getting converted into the solid state. First we start the decrease in temperature. So when we decrease the temperature of any of the liquid state, it gets converted into the solid state, and this process is called as freezing or solidification. Now why this happens? Actually, when we decrease the temperature of the liquid state, its kinetic energy also gets decreases. When the kinetic energy decreases, its motion also gets decreased, and the particles of liquid states starts arranging themselves in a regular manner, in a compact manner, and gets converted into the solid state. So, if we make the liquid state, when we decrease the temperature, kinetic energy decreases and it arranges itself in a compact manner and become the solid state. And this process is called as freezing or solidification. Now, the temperature at which liquid substance converts into solid at 1 atmospheric pressure is called freezing point of that liquid. This process is called as freezing, but the temperature at which this process occurs is called as freezing point of that liquid. As for example, freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So, freezing point is what? The temperature at which liquid substance converts into solid at 1 atmospheric pressure. Correct? Now, with the increase in temperature, so there is effect with the increase in temperature on liquid state also. So, with the increase in temperature, liquid state gets converted into the gaseous state. And this process is called as vaporization. Now this is a very common process. All of you have seen it in your homes. What will happen when your mother or you also starts boiling something or start heating the liquid in your gas burner? What will happen? Vapor starts getting up, right? Or it starts vaporizing. Clear? So whenever we increase the temperature of a liquid state, it gets converted into the gaseous state, and this process is called as vaporization. Now, before vaporization, before the formation of vapors, there is another process that is called as boiling. Now, what is this boiling? A liquid is said to boil when its vapor pressure becomes equal to that of the atmospheric pressure. Now, what is this vapor pressure? Just for understanding this vapor pressure, I am showing one of the experiments. Just see here. Take one beaker and put some water in it. You can put a cover above the beaker, a lid above the beaker. Then what will happen? Simple, एक beaker है, एक beaker में हमने liquid लिया, उसको boil करना शुरू किया. आप इसको temperature दे रहे हो, आप यहाँ पे burner बना दो, आप यहाँ पे temperature दे रहे हो. Some of the particle of liquid has more kinetic energy than the other particles. वो जो पार्टिकल्स है लिक्विड के जिनकी एनर्जी बाकी सब पार्टिकल से थोड़ी सी ज्यादा होगी, वो क्या होगा? वो वेपराइज होना शुरू हो जाएगा. वो पहले वेपराइज करेगा. जब वो वेपराइज करेगा तो वो ऊपर जाएगा, बिकॉज वेपर्स हैव टेंडेंसी टू गोज अप. ऊपर जाएगा. ऊपर जाने के बाद सिंस स्केपिंग तो इसका हिंडर्ड है, स्केपिंग इसकी हो नहीं सकती, तो यहां जाने के बाद सारे वेपर्स जो है वो लिक्विड स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे, बिकॉज ऊपर जाने के बाद वो ठंडा होना शुरू हो जाएगा. क्लियर? तो आफ्टर कूलिंग दिस गैसियस पार्टिकल बिकम अगेन इन द लिक्विड स्टेट. अब ये जो ड्रॉपलेट्स हैं, जो आप देख भी सकते हैं कि नॉर्मली अगर हम कोई चीज बॉईल करते हैं और उसके ऊपर कुछ ढक्कन को रखे रहते हैं, तो उस ढक्कन पे, उस लिड पे हमें वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स दिखाई देता है. तो वो जो वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स है वो वापस से इसी लिक्विड में गिरता है. जब ये गिरता है तो लिक्विड के सरफेस पे एक प्रेशर लगाता है, एंड दैट प्रेशर इज कॉल्ड एज वेपर प्रेशर. मीन्स व्हाट? द प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय द वेपर. फिर से समझ लो. एक बीकर लिया हमने, उसके ऊपर एक कवर रखा, उसको हीट करना शुरू किया। कुछ फ्रैक्शंस जो थे लिक्विड के, उनकी काइनेटिक एनर्जी बाकी सभी पार्टिकल से थोड़ी ज्यादा है, तो क्या होगा, वो वेपराइज करेगा, वो ऊपर जाएगा, और चूंकि वहां कवर किया हुआ है तो वो सारा पार्टिकल वहीं जाके रुक जाएगा, वहां वो ठंडा होगा और फिर से गैसियस से लिक्विड पार्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, लिक्विड स्टेट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। वो लिक्विड जब फिर से वापस आ रहा होगा तो लिक्विड के सरफेस पे, जो कंटेनर में हमारा लिक्विड बॉईल हो रहा है, उसके सरफेस पे एक प्रेशर लगाएगा, एंड उस प्रेशर को हम क्या बोलते हैं, वेपर प्रेशर। तो बॉइलिंग कब होगी, व्हेन वेपर प्रेशर बिकम्स इक्वल टू द atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, all of you know, the pressure exerted by the atmosphere is called as atmospheric pressure. So when we call that the liquid is boiled, when the vapor pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure. Now after the boiling, we are having a topic, boiling point. Now what is this boiling point? Boiling point is the temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. Already we discussed that boiling is liquid is set to boil when the vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. So what is boiling point? It is that temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point of liquid at that pressure. So you have to do remember both the terms, the temperature and at that pressure. So boiling point is what? The temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure is known as boiling point of any liquid at that pressure. Now one tip is given here. What is that tip? Higher is atmospheric pressure, higher is the boiling point of liquid, and vice versa. So whenever the atmospheric pressure is high, boiling point is also high. Whenever the atmospheric pressure is low, boiling point is also low of that liquid. So here by these points we are having one of the very important question. Why is cooking difficult at mountains while easier in pressure cooker? This can be asked as a question in your exam. Why is cooking difficult on mountains, or why cooking in pressure cooker is easier? Your answer is, on mountain atmospheric pressure is less, so boiling point of liquid is also less. By this tip you can conclude here, on the mountain atmospheric pressure is less, that's why the boiling point is also less. But in the pressure cooker, since the atmospheric pressure is high, that's why the boiling point is also high. This is the reason that cooking on mountain are difficult, but in pressure cooker is easier. Now boiling point are of two types. Basically we use the term normal boiling point, right? In class 9 we can say boiling point, but actually the term is normal boiling point. Now there is slight difference between both the terms. What is normal boiling point? The temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 atm. 1 atmospheric pressure is known as normal boiling point. Example is, normal boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Standard boiling point. Now what is the standard boiling point? The temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to 1 bar pressure is known as standard boiling point. Now this atm and bar is actually the two units of vapor pressure. So on the basis of units of vapor pressure, we are having these two types of the boiling point. One is normal boiling point and other is standard boiling point. So normal boiling point, when we measure the vapor pressure in terms of atmospheric pressure, and standard boiling point is the boiling point when we measure the vapor pressure in terms of bar, is known as standard boiling point. Here the example is, standard boiling point of water is 99.4 degrees Celsius. So there is slight difference between both the boiling points. Now what is the relation between these two units of vapor pressure? 1 atm is equal to 1.013 bar. So bar is slightly less than the atm. That's why the standard boiling point is always lower than that of the normal boiling point. So in this lecture we concluded all the effects of temperature on liquid state. In the next lecture, we'll continue with the latent heat of vaporization and effect of temperature on gaseous state. Thank you.